kitty girl. Hey! You playing? Are you playing? She has never done this before. It's funny. You're goofy. What has gotten into you? Don't ruin my bed. I probably should have made her gone onto the floor. Wow. Like I said, she's never done this before. Okay, I might as well stop this before she ruins the bed.